Men of Reddit, if you burped in front of your girlfriend and she responded back with a louder burp, how would you react? Well, I mean, she just issued me a challenge. She threw the gauntlet down. I have to pick it up. I'm going to burp back. No way in hell is she winning. Look her dead in the eye and shit my pants. Dominance must be asserted. The last girl I dated, I farted in bed with her. She forced out a fart back at me. She was the last cuss. We're married now. My wife does this. She wins every yes fucking hot. I farted on the toilet really loudly one night and I was so embarrassed my man responded with an equally loud ripper from the bedroom. Lamau, he's so supportive, smiley face. Me and my wife do this all the time. I can't compete with her burps. Better out than in. I always say. Ah ha ha ha, I'd laugh. Life is way too short to get hung up on things like that.